Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app tips and tricks on your desktop. In today's video, I will show you how to activate keyboard shortcut key for Gmail without any stress on your PC. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Gmail app. If you have not logged into your Gmail app, consider to enter your Google account, username and password, and then successfully log into your Gmail app. After you successfully log into your Gmail app, for you to have access to all the shortcut key and how best you can, for you to activate all the shortcut key for Gmail app on PC, go ahead and click on setting icon right here, and then go ahead and click on see all settings. So go ahead and click on see all settings. It's going to take you right here. So what you want to do right here is simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you are able to get to keyboard shortcut right here. So all you have to do is to switch to keyboard shortcut on right here. Go ahead and click on that. With that, whenever you are using any shortcut key in your Gmail, it's going to be effect. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Gmail app settings on PC like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.